You had a lot of choices. You could have done a wood building, you could have done a tilt up. Why'd you choose steel?
I love metal. I mean, that's my heart, that's my trade, is steel. I am a welder fabricator. I didn't even know what a welder was until high school. Took welding class, fell in love with it, did some competitions. I'm Michael Swanson, and this is my Hypersteel Story. This has been my dream come true. I've always dreamed of a place I could work on my own stuff, whether it's welding, building something. I do a lot of wood work in here. I work on my pickups in here. I do my oil changes. This is a place where I can do it all. So it's a 30 by 40, 12-foot low eaves. It's far from done, but we got a lot of plans. Eventually I'll have a really big table right here.
And what are you going to do with this big opening here?
This will be a garage door eventually, so that way I can pull heavy equipment in if I need to bring a semi truck or a dump truck in here. I do quite a bit of work on semis as well. This is a horrible mess that I hate every part of. This will be organized one day, but yeah, eventually this won't look like that. But
Well, you're heading in the right direction,
yeah,
though.
One piece at a time. For the lot I had, this was about what I felt was the biggest I could go. Obviously, everybody wishes they would go bigger, I think, but for the size of my lot, it's perfect.
What was it about Hypersteel that you liked?
The price of it. It was still a steel building, rated for the weight and the snow and winds that I have in this area. Man, it was easy to put up.
So you put this building up yourself?
I did, yep. It was super easy.
Think back to when all of this was delivered.
I was surprised at how small the package itself was. It just come on a 28-foot gooseneck. Unloaded it in, I think, 3 picks. Everything was on the ground, so that was kind of cool. So eventually I'm gonna do a mezzanine. The height of that roof, I'm gonna come across with the floor. It'll be free floating the whole way, so I'll just set a beam across there. And then eventually this winter I'll hook up that wood burning stove. That chimney will go up right next to where my desk wants to be, so that way I can stay nice and toasty in the winter time.
You're looking forward to that, aren't you?
Looking very forward to that, yeah.
Would you recommend Hypersteel to other people?
I do, I already do, yeah. Anytime somebody's wanting to build a building, I try convincing them to get one of these. They're so fast and easy to put up. It's a good looking building. You can't go wrong with it. So yeah, I recommend it to everybody I can. When I walk in here, all noises stop. Everything that's going on in my head, it just calms you. Right when you walk in here, it's just my own little place.